Nicole Smith.
And Steve Kime from Blood and Iron Martial Arts.
Today we're excited.
Today is New Sword Day.
A while back, we were sent a couple of swords from a new company in China, HanaSword.
Now, before we received these swords, we received a somewhat panicky email stating that these swords were flawed and were sent in error, and to please disregard them.
Well, in fact, they insisted that we keep them rather than send them back, and told us that the ones that we were intended to receive were already on the way.
Now, this is fantastic. Not only do we have a new company, new to the game, they owned up to a mistake, and they went out of their way to correct the mistake.
Never mind the talking. I want to see what's in the box.
Welcome to the floor, and here is the parcel.
Now, you should know, this box has been in transit since the end of April. It arrived in Vancouver in May, and it's taken Canada Post this long to get it to us. Thank you, Canada Post.
Great job.
Yeah. There are some holes in the box, so we're hoping everything inside is okay, but if it isn't, I blame Canada Post.
Let's begin.
With my favorite open box everything nice, the Bastinelli Harpy. Let's see if we can find an edge here somewhere.
Right here.
Yeah. I'll do my side and then I'll give it to you, you do your
Sure.
side. That's my side.
I know, I'm just pulling these up. It's fine.
There. See?
Your side is bigger than mine.
Fuzzy stuff off.
They definitely feel more solid than the previous pair, for sure.
Yeah?
Even this one feels very nice and very light in my
See
hands.
that one?
Let's trade. I like this. I like this quite a bit. I also like the crossguard, the way they did the crossguard. It's kind of minimalist, but at the same time, it's kind of pretty to look at. Grip is comfortable. I like the bevel on the pommel better as well. It fits really nicely in my hand. The grip's a good length. Feels comfortable. Probably feel fairly comfortable wearing the gloves too.
We should play with them.
Let's play with them. All right, so after playing with these for a few minutes, love the way they move, love the way they feel in the hands, makes an awesome sound when you clang steel together. Not a whole lot of burrs to start with, so the steel's a pretty good quality. And a couple of things we want to point out. First,
this is an awesome addition. Makes transportation and maintenance so much easier.
Plus, you could probably get spare blades. If the blade degrades to the point where it can't be used, you can just purchase a new blade and plant it on the original fittings. Phenomenal option. Second thing I want to point out, from the originals, they've rounded the shilt edges. This makes this extremely safe to use. It's not going to gouge into anyone's fabric or their flesh or their hands. So love that as well. So first impressions, very positive. Important note. Even though HanaSword informed us that the original pair they sent us was flawed,
We've been working with them since April. In fact, you've even seen some of them in our videos.
to date, we haven't really found anything with the swords we would categorize as a serious flaw.
So far, so good. Can't wait to see how these new swords hold up.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe.
And as always, a big thank you to our Patreon supporters. Without you, this wouldn't be possible.
If you enjoy the content we produce and want to join one of our live online classes, please click the link below.
And if you'd like to join us in person, we're now accepting students at our Mid-Island location. Information posted below.
And remember,
If you don't put in the training, you won't get the result.